That shower was so refreshing, and I'm really happy that I got a chance to try out a new product. My hair feels super light, it smells good, and most importantly, it's defined and it's ready to be styled. Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to another video. So as you guys can see by the title, it's wash day. I just got back in town from vacation and my front was gelled down for a few days, so now it just looks a little crazy, but it's okay because we're gonna get her together. And I do want to thank today's sponsor. I will be using the Nutree Professionals, and this is their Amzonliss Mask. It's a super hair food that has cocoa and banana. So here's how the product looks, and we're going to try this out today. This is actually my first time using it, so I'm pretty excited. I want to open it up just to make sure there's no safety seal, which there is. I'm going to take this off because we're about to take this in the shower with us. Ooh, wow, that smells really good. So here's how the product looks. I love how full it is too. I'm going to be showing you guys my summer routine on how I like to cleanse and refresh my hair. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the shower with Nutree Professionals. It's wash day and let's go ahead and get started. The very first thing I like to do is just saturate my hair, and then I go ahead and start to shampoo. I get my ends and I make sure to get my scalp, and I scrub 2-3 times, rinsing and repeating before moving on to the next step. And it feels so good to just wash away all that dirt and grime. So here is the star of the show. This is the Nutree Professionals, and we're going to be trying their Amzonliss Mask. And I am separating my hair into a front and a back section before I start to apply the mask, just so I make sure I don't miss anything. I really want to fully saturate my hair with this mask before moving on to the next steps, which is just sitting and waiting for it to penetrate. I like deep conditioning because it's going to open up your cuticles and allow that to get farther into your hair. So just look at the before and after of me not shampooing and conditioning versus me shampooing and conditioning. So of course we're going to do the same exact thing to the other side. Make sure you are working in sections, starting in the back and working your way to the front. This mask was so moisturizing, and I loved how it just properly saturated my hair. And I usually go in with a little bit of water to help maneuver the product around, but I actually didn't need to. So again, just working section by section and working that into my hair. It felt so good, and now I can just let that sit for about 10 minutes. Now you cannot leave the shower without properly detangling. I like to use a wide tooth comb for this process and go ahead and detangle my hair. And as you can see, I can now run my fingers right through it. It made it super easy for me to detangle with this hair mask, and my hair just feels so moisturized and soft. I did the other side as well, and the very last thing that I do is just quickly apply a leave-in conditioner before I exit the shower, and I do that on both sides of my hair. If you want to try this mask too, I'll have more information linked below. Hey y'all, what's up? So I am back from the shower, and let me show you guys how my hair is looking. That shower was so refreshing, and I'm really happy that I got a chance to try out a new product. My hair feels super light, it smells good, and most importantly, it's defined and it's ready to be styled. So here's the product right here. I'm really happy that I didn't need to use a lot either, and this is definitely a summer product because it smells like bananas and it smells really good. As soon as you take the lid off, the aroma of cocoa and bananas just light up the room, so it smells really good, and I've had a really good shower because of this. So I'll have this link below with a discount code if you guys want to go and try it out. Again, I would highly recommend it. It worked perfect for my hair, and now we're ready to get on to styling, guys.